Janie with JJ Ray Jewelry Designs, and I'm here today with a package. Let's see where it's from. Doesn't say. It's kind of heavy. It's looking like a bargain bead box type of thing. Oh, look at there. Okay, let's see where it came from. It's Bargain Bead Box. You've probably seen this one. Somebody's probably already opened or unboxed this. But it is the foliage Bargain Bead Box. So it's about autumn with coppers and pewter and carnelian and jasper. Crystal accents. $30 or 30% off your next order at Bargain Bead Box with the coupon code Leafy30. And you can find them on Facebook at facebook.com Bargain Bead Box. You can also find them online. So I have the key here I'm looking at. And again, we're just going to unravel, take them out of their nice greenish yellow gauze bag, whatever. And here we do have a lot of fall colors. I am trying to find, just back up a little bit, or maybe come in more, tighter on it. There, that's as tight as we can get. Okay, first I'm looking for, I'm gonna flip all these. We have some Botswana agate, it looks like. Woohoo! I just ordered a gazillion different strands of shapes and things. Love it. Okay, number one is 4mm Chinese crystal bicone beads in Topaz AB. Love Chinese crystal. I just ordered a ton of Swarovski, $100 worth of Swarovski, so I'll unbox that haul for you. But in the meantime, here's some Topaz AB Chinese crystal. I love it. It looks more yellow on my monitor, but it is champagne color. Beautiful. Number two, we have some glass leaf pendant, jade green, my wrinkly hand. Well, you saw them, right? Glass green leaves. Holes are at the top of the leaf. So that's number two. Number three is 15-inch strand of carnelian round beads that are 8mm. 8mm carnelian round. They're very pretty. They're really autumn, you know, the rusts and gold, oranges. So pretty. Number four, we have, let me get this carnelian back in the bag and we'll get out the leaf toggle clasp. Show you those. Oh, these are pretty. I love leaves. Oof. I used to love heart shape and now I'm into leaves, but they're kind of heart shaped too, a lot. So there we go. This is more of a bronze, antique bronze color. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And on number five, more Chinese crystal in matte green iris. There's 6x4mm and they're only a 7.5-inch strand. I am not seeing 4. Does anybody see 4? What are we looking for? Chinese crystal in matte green iris. Might be number 5. This looks like... Oh, it is number 5. Oh, I'm crazy. So that's the matte green iris. And it's showing up on my monitor a little bit more green than I see it because there is like an iris coating on it. It's really pretty. I don't go for greens, but that one's a decent one. Number 6 is 20 pieces of a 15x10mm leaf link. That sounds cool. 6, 9, 6. 20 pieces of this little leaf link. Can you see this? It'd help if I turned the light on. There's your leaf link. It always helps to turn the light on. Let's see. 8 is a 7.5-inch strand of 6mm silver leaf jasper round beads. Number 8. These are silver leaf jasper. 7.5-inch strand of 6mm silver leaf jasper. We have a moss green. 9 more Chinese crystals. A 7.5-inch strand of 4x3 matte goldenrod AB. Trying to get these in their bag. These jasper don't want to be put away. Number 9, Chinese crystal. Ooh, they have kind of a glow to them. There's a shimmer. So these are matte goldenrod AB. There is movement in that stone. Even though it's matte, there's movement. Beautiful. Chinese beads, gotta love them. Number 10, 20 pieces, 7mm leaf bead cap. They're 20 pieces. They're kind of a high profile cap. Show you the profile. They stick up a little bit. Millimeter are these? 7mm. So they'll stick up high on a 6. I want to go 4 or 5 on. 11, 40mm oval leaf pendant. Here. Oh, this is pretty. I'm really digging this. I love fall colors. Who doesn't? My living room and my master bedroom are in blue and orange. I love turquoise with orange. Look at that pendant. I think that would look awesome on a leather cord somehow, probably wire wrapped. And this is an antique copper. 12, 1 meter, 5mm steel oval jewelry chain. 12. I have 1 meter of this 5mm Rolo chain. It says oval jewelry chain, but it looks like a Rolo in that, you know, one link this way and one link that way deal. If you do chainmail, you know what I mean. So this is in an antique copper. Number 13, 12 pieces of 10mm crystal faceted half matte barrel beads. Look at those. I love barrel beads. I love the frosted ends, I should say. It's frosted on both top and bottom. Great faceting on this. Colors are perfect for fall. Look at that. Really pretty. I don't know what I'll do with just 12 of them. More than the 3 you get with check glass. Next is number 14, a 7.5-inch strand of 10mm gemstones, chrysanthemum, jasper, or coffee agate. And I believe I got coffee agate. Jasper or agate? I got coffee agate, which looks like a wooden bead. They have dimension to them. See that? I'm kind of digging them. I'm sure they have, you know, a coating of something on them to make them that way, but they're kind of cool. All right, this is the one I'm excited about. These look like Botswana, but they are not, or it's not telling us they are. This is 5 pieces of approximately 27 by 40mm red agate oval drop beads. Drop dead gorgeous is what I say. See this one with the bands and this one with the bands? Well, you know, agate is banded, so this one is really cool, like almost a complete see-through resin kind of thing, but it's a stone, I swear. 16 leaf pendants, 2 pieces, 30mm or 32mm leaf pendant. I like these. They kind of have a veining in the back. I mean, the back would even be a decent pendant, but the front has some really cool embossing on it. Pretty cool. And then it's got the loop is in the back of the charm. All right, 17 tree chandelier focals, 2 of them at 28mm. Oh, look at that. If you find cabochon this size, 28mm, and put the tree of life on it, and they have rings here you can add, and you can dangle stuff from any of the branches, really. So that's cool. And I skipped number 7, which were 20 pieces of 7mm leaf beads. And this is all in antique copper. These leaves are 2-sided, and the hole goes from the top of the leaf, and the top of the leaf, bottom of the leaf. Barely see it. Trying to get a good view of it. That's probably the best I can do. It's on both sides. It's a 3-dimensional leaf, and there are 20 pieces in antique copper. So that's pretty cool. That's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed it, and that's a wrap. Give some random person a really big smile today, and take it easy beading. See you on the next one.